Hello, English learners, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic for our friends in Zimbabwe who are awaiting their ordinary level results. In this video, we'll guide you on how to open your Zimsec ordinary level results online. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Zimsec official website. First things first, open your web browser and visit the official Zimsec website. Make sure you are on the right website to ensure the security of your information. Step 2. Navigate to the Results section. Once on the Zimsec website, look for the Results section. This is where you'll find the option to access your ordinary level results. Step 3. Select ordinary level. In the Results section, you should see various examination options. Choose ordinary level or O level, since we're focusing on those results. Step 4. Provide required information. Now it's time to enter the necessary information. You might need details like your examination session and candidate number. Make sure to have this information ready. Step 5. Submit and view results. After entering the required details, click on the Submit or Check Results button. Your Zimsec ordinary level results should then be displayed on the screen. You may also have the option to download a digital copy. Step 6. Check for notifications. Don't forget to check your email or any other communication channels you provided during your examination registration. Zimsec may send result notifications or updates. Step 7. Contact Zimsec support if needed. If you encounter any issues or have questions, look for the support or contact section on the Zimsec website. You can reach out to Zimsec directly for assistance. And there you have it. That's how you can open your Zimsec ordinary level results online. We hope this guide was helpful. Best of luck to everyone receiving their results. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Happy learning!